the 2013 Ford F-150. This is a Super Crew cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck, with fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Ford features sliding rear window, a sunroof, and four-wheel drive. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, cruise control, and power windows. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Kelly Grimsley Auto Group, a Carfax Advantage dealer.